Hey, want to do a very quick tutorial on what to do if you're struggling getting a PDF to open in a web browser properly. So I'm at the Prairie State IRB website. We've had a lot of problems with these forms not opening properly. And there's actually a note here you can see about it. So what you do, this is the form. I'm going to click on it. And it says like, oh, what do you want to do? And you, of course, most of us just, well, I want to open it. And then this happens, and it gives you this really cryptic message that says like, if it's not eventually replaced by the proper content, your PDF viewer might not be able to display this type. And it'll continue like this forever. It won't actually do anything. And the real reason for this is that the web browser-based PDF viewers have a very difficult time reading forms, things you can fill out, okay? So what you should do, if you want to fix this, we're going to go back here. You click it. Go ahead and save it, okay? And then, depending on how this works, and there are a lot of different places to save, generally it saves to the downloads folder. Right now, I'm just going to click open folder, and it'll go to the downloads folder. And you're going to see this. And you can see from this little icon here that it is designed to open in this case, Microsoft Edge, but it might show Chrome or Firefox. None of them are able to read the form properly. Just right-click on that, and you can go to open with Adobe Acrobat Reader, okay? And that should open without a problem. There's the form. You can fix this permanently if you want to, although it's sometimes nice to, right here, if it says make Adobe Acrobat my default PDF application, if you click yes here, every single time you open up PDF, it will open in Adobe automatically. Okay, so it sort of depends on what you want to do there, but that will at least get you to the forms. Just download it, save it, and then right-click and open with Adobe Acrobat. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to let us know.